Welcome to VAV International School. Founded in 2009, VAV International School is proud to be the first CBSE affiliated school in Udumalpet and the first Google reference school in Tamil Nadu. Over the past 16 years, VAV has grown into a thriving learning community with more than 1700 students and 120 dedicated staff members.
Let's step into the VAV Skill Forge, where classrooms turn into creation zones and every child becomes a maker. In the Arduino lab, students explore electronics and automation. They write real code and watch it come alive through circuit, sensors, and motion. Here, imagination becomes reality. Students design their own models digitally, and the 3D printer brings them to life layer by layer.
In the woodworking lab, children shape wood with their own hands. They don't just build objects, they build patience, focus, and character. And every tool they use is child-friendly and completely safe, so young makers can explore confidently.
Not all innovation begins with machines. Sometimes it begins with earth. In our clay pottery lab, students connect with nature, shaping raw clay into something meaningful. It teaches balance, calm, and control, grounding their minds while freeing their creativity. Even cardboard becomes an invention. Students learn structure, strength, and movement not by memorizing it but by actually building it. Here there are no wrong answers, only better attempts. Every failure is a lesson. Every lesson builds a creator.
This is VAV International School, where curiosity becomes skill and skill becomes our future. Because we are not just preparing for the world, we are getting ready to build it.